Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix an unexpected error has occurred by basically redeeming a Roblox gift card. So basically Roblox gift card gives you an unexpected error due to an expired gift card, incorrect payment details, or missing funds on the payment method. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to check the gift card validity. So you need to make sure that your gift card is not expired. So if you bought the gift card recently, you need to basically contact the support and tell the reason why you cannot redeem the gift card that you recently bought. And another thing that you can see, you need to check the payment details. You need to ensure that your payments are correct. And also another possible thing that can happen to you is that there is a lack of funds on the payment method you used to purchase the gift card. But if your gift card is valid and paid, another thing that could happen to you is basically Roblox servers are not fully operational. So what you need to do here, you need to go to status.roblox.com and you need to make sure that servers are fully operational, right? And if servers are good, then the last thing that you can do here, if you're getting this error, is that you need to contact Roblox support. So you just need to write on Google Roblox support, and it will be the first link here. And once you get there, you need to put your username, your name, your email address, and then what device are you having problem on. So select whatever you like, PC, Mac, iPhone. It's up to you what device you're using, and then type of help category, make sure to select gift card, and then select gift card redeem, and then just describe your issue. So you can write something in these lines like, "Hi, I'm getting unexpected error when redeeming my Roblox gift card. The card is valid and paid. Could you help me out?" And just press this, and then just submit your request, and usually they will contact you within 48 hours with basically the solution, right? So that's pretty much it, what you can do here if you're getting an unexpected error when you redeem Roblox gift cards. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.